Welcome back, guys. So now let's come to the important part, which is how to improve communication. Jagdish, you've been talking a lot. What to do exactly? Simple trick, guys, but I've already told you how to do that. You need to have a mentor first. You need to talk to them regularly. You need to get some exercise and activities. Keep repeating that. That's the best way. These are all maybe little triggers for you, not final. I've told you in the start of the video itself. If you've not watched, please watch that again and come back. Clarity on facts. That's called communication. You need to understand first of all what you're reading or what you're understanding, whether it's correct. Clarify that person by asking question. You repeat them. Hey, is this what you said, so and so? So you're telling me to take this bottle and drink. Yes? Yes, Jagdish, correct. No, Jagdish, that's what not I told. So you need to clarify yourself by asking good question and repeating sentence and giving certain pass. Books, news, you need to put ear and eyes, everything intact to grasp that information. Next, mingle with all. Avoid shy. I mean, okay, that's fine. That's people will talk. That's my personal habit. I'll be in my way to start mingling with people. You don't have to tell. Don't be shy. Don't be introvert, extrovert. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Keep it with you. But if you really want to mingle with all, you have to be shameless. You need to go and talk with people, irrespective of what they think about you, or maybe what they guess about you. Nobody really cares about you. You know that. It's a fact. Nobody really cares about you because they don't have much time to care about themselves. How will they give even a time and a damn to you? You will think like what they are thinking. No. Don't waste your time and don't waste your life, guys. Many people don't even make some initiatives or start talking to some bigger people because of this problem. Leave that shy away. Go and talk if you want. If you don't want to talk, fine. Leave it. But if you really want to talk to that person, please go and talk. Avoid that kind of that barrier. Nobody is giving a damn about you. Why are you thinking what they will think? This is the first barrier of communication. Please remove that away. If you ask me, I'll do that. I'll make you do that immediately. I have some activities for that. Okay. Yeah. Next is, friend. You need to be little, you need to talk to little good people for that, get some habit and other things, okay? So reading habit, you can read some books also, that's a good way. I'll tell you an interesting way, rather than reading some books. You need to collaborate with good people, again, I told you, don't miss any stage, try to utilize as much stage as possible. Anyway, I'm not forcing you. Listen twice as much as we speak. I've emphasized this point before, you should have known. The more you listen, that's where your communication is really growing. Now comes the interesting thing. Watch some series, dramas, make a record of 100 movies. Watch 100 movies in very short span of time, either with subtitles or without subtitles. You know what will happen if you start watching movies? There are a lot many things which you will hear. There are a lot many things which you will watch. There is a cohesion. There is a relation between watching and doing. Let's say that person will be talking and doing something. You will know, oh, this word meaning is this. That is how I also learned Hindi and English in depth. If they're doing some action and then talking, probably you will know, okay, that is the meaning of the word. Oh, similar instance happens in your real time. You will apply that same word instantaneously, subconsciously, automatically. That is called communication, guys. That is how you develop. That is why I'm telling you the fastest way is watch 100 movies. Select good movies. The good thing is that you will learn some good things in the movies. Your time will also be properly managed. And then you will also learn a lot of good things. English, particularly language and everything. So, and then you try to see, okay, this is the meaning of that word. Automatically it will come, guys, because you're hearing, you're watching. You're putting all your senses together. It's not about you're closing the eyes and watching, or maybe you're just watching the film. Okay, you're getting both the communication. So, when it comes to that similar situation, in fact, you will use that same slang and words. That will become your cognitive learning for you as a particular language. Let it be Hindi, English, whatever language you want to learn, use this technique. Perhaps additionally read some books, other usual stuffs people do tell. Okay, so there is a video. I mean, don't bother, guys. I've told you enough of that. So there are good institutes to study about communication, guys. Like let's say Institute of Mass Communication. If you really are interested to take it up forward, you wanted to really make a professional approach of it, you can do some kind of a mass communication. You can go to National Institute of Mass Communication and study about it. It's a very good college. And then, if you ask me, there is a good amount of salary also, like 6 to 10 lakhs salary is there. There are some good medias like CNN, Hindu, National Geographic, Discovery, which you can go and get a good familiarization with this media and other things. Any sector with respect to communication, core and software, all are really important. Every field requires this kind of a clear communication to understand. Communication is what matters everything. This is the key for everything. Okay, so with that, we'll conclude and recap the learnings.